I'm Chris Gambrell. I'm a commercial artist and illustrator. I work mainly in fashion and figurative art. My work has been featured in publications such as Vogue and Artists and Illustrators magazine. I've also provided the cover for the Guardian art critic Jonathan Jones's book on Artemisia gentileschi. I love the feel of crushing the pastels into powder and the way it sits on the surface, creating depth and layers. A good pastel portrait can be transfixing. You just can't help but connect with it. I never give the full story. I think there should always be room for the viewer to mix it with their own palette of reference. It can be a look or a mood, something that makes them think and reflect. In this Domestika course, I'll teach you how to make a variety of different expressive portraits using pastel colours. For the final project, you'll create your own portrait in pastel using a reference photo. First, I'll talk you through the materials and the importance of keeping a sketchbook. We'll learn about mark making, colour, and how to source reference photos. Then we can jump straight into our project. We'll start with some initial sketching, working out the basic shapes and proportions before filling in some of the smaller details. We get the chance to work with colour to bring it all together into one harmonious piece. Last but not least, I'll show you how to fix your work, how to package your work for postage, and how to photograph it for social media. By the end of this course, you'll be able to combine composition and colour in order to create unique, expressive portraits. You'll need a basic range of soft pastels, both copier paper and thicker paper, fixative spray, and a Conte pencil. Let's captivate your audience with creative portraits in pastel.